This dance is called Stand By Me. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot. So we're going into some point switches. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side. So you're just resting there, there's no weight on it. You're then going to bring that right and step it back beside the left. Your weight goes on that right. You're going to repeat the same with the left foot. So you're going to point the left to the side. Again, there's no weight, it's just pointing in that direction. Bring the left back beside the right. The weight goes back on that left. You're then going to walk back 3 steps. Back right, back left, back right. Then step the left beside the right. That set of steps once more. Point switch off on the right. 7, 8. Point and back, 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 close. We're going to do those point switches once more, exactly the same as you did that before. So it's pointing the right to the side, step the right beside the left, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. You're now going to walk forward 4 steps. So you walk right, left, right, left. That set of steps once more then. Point switch off on the right. 7, 8. Point and walk, 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 walk. Add those 2 sections together. Point switch off on the right. 7, 8. Point and back, 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 close. Point and walk, 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 walk. You're going into some more point switches, but this time you're going to be pointing forwards. So you're effectively going to touch your right toe forward, step the right beside the left, touch the left toe forward, step the left beside the right, step the right toe forward, step the right beside the left, and touch the left toe forward, step the left beside the right. So I'll just show you side on so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm touching that right toe forward, bring the right beside the left, same with the left. Toe goes forward, left beside right, right toe forward, right beside left, left toe forward, left beside right. So it's point switches, but I'm just pointing forwards. Do that once more. Pointing forward off on that right. 7, 8. Point right and point left and point right and point left and. So let's add that to the top. Point switches to the side off on that right. 7, 8. Point and back, 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 close. Point and walk, 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 walk. Walk forward and point and point and point and. You're now going to be walking forwards 8 steps, but you're effectively going to make 3/4 of a turn to your right, so you end up facing the side wall. So what we otherwise know in terms of the clock face, the 9 o'clock wall. So each of the steps that you make, the first 6 steps, you are making 1/8 of a turn. So you're going to step your right forward, making that 1/8 of a turn, so you'll be facing the corner, what we call 130. Further 1/8 as you step the left forward, you should now be facing the side, 3 o'clock. Further 1/8 on the right, you face the corner again, 4:30. Forward again on the left, you face the back wall, 6 o'clock. Further 1/8 to the right, as you step that right forward into the diagonal, 7:30. Further 1/8 on the left, you step that forward, you're now facing 9 o'clock. And then all you do is you just add on 2 walks forward, right, left. no turns on the last two steps. So let's just try that once more. Stepping forward on that right, 1/8 of a turn apart from those last two steps. Here we go. 7, 8. Walk, 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 walk. So you're just walking all the way forward. So let's add that to the rest of the dance. Point switches off on the right. 7, 8. Point and back, 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 close, point and walk, 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 walk. Point and point and point and point and walk, 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 walk. So hopefully you've ended up facing the side wall. Now what we have got in that very last set of steps, because that is the end of the dance when you get to that point, you start all over again with the point switches, you have got a 3/4 of a turn. Now some people may find that they struggle to get 3/4 of a turns in for multiple reasons. One might be because the speed of the music is quite fast and they can't physically turn that quickly. This one you're just walking forward, so we don't think that would be an issue, but some people may actually find doing something more than half a turn makes them feel a little bit dizzy or disorientated. And we always say, where possible, always do the turning steps, because the dances look so much better when they are in there. However, should you find that you are struggling to do that 3/4 of a turn, all you need to do is try and turn yourself 1/4 of a turn to the left over 8 steps. So rather than turning that way, you're going to end up turning that way. But what you might want to try and do is walk yourself backwards in the same direction that everybody else is going. So you'd start off with your right foot and you'd step it into that diagonal, then you step back, you step back, you step to the back again, turning yourself gradually, making that 8-step turn. So you're going in the same direction as everybody else, but you're not actually turning 3/4 of a turn. So they're non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 out. But like I said, do try and put it in, because the dances do look so much better when they are in there. So that is the end of the dance. Now the music is just a little bit faster. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the front wall once more. We're going to speed it up a little bit on that wall. And then when we get to the next wall, we're going to keep going. So we're going to do 4 walls complete, so you can see how the walls actually join together. Here we go. Point switches off on the right. 7, 8. A point and back, 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 close. Point and walk, 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 walk. Point and point and point and point and walk, 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 walk. Point and back, 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 close. Point and walk, 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 walk. Point forward, left, right, left, walk, 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 walk. Point and back, 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 close. Point and walk, 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 walk. Point and point, point. Walk, 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 walk. Point and back, 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 close. Point and walk, 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 walk. Put right and left and right and left and walk, 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 walk. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. again. Point and back, back, back. Goes point and walk, 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 walk. Point and walk, 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 walk. Point and back, back, back. Goes point and walk, 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 walk. Point and forward, walk it round, points, back, points, forward, point forward, walk it round, points, back, points, forward, point forward, walk it round, point, back, point, forward, point forward, walk it round. I hope you managed that one.